So now in the third part of the video series, we'll look at how we could possibly replicate, say, a design that we see somewhere in the paper. This paper is from the lab on a chip journal, and we'll take a look at the schematic. Okay, so this is how the device looks. It's a set of electrodes which are superimposed on a microfluidic channel, which have been patterned by lithography, which means the mask was made to design them. And you can also see a 2-scale image, which you can actually reverse engineer in image to actually compute the angles as well as the lengths, because it has a scale bar. For example, if you would like to measure the angle, you would just um, use the angle measurement tool in CleWin to extract the angle. So the angle that was measured is 24 degrees. 24 degrees is what we measured, and let's try to replicate this design in CleWin using all the prior principles that we've learned. Um, okay, so to begin with, you have an interdigitated mask design, which let's say is separated by um, let me first draw some grid lines that will define where my electrodes are supposed to be. Okay, so I'm assuming that the electrodes are in a V shape at a 23-degree angle that leads off from here. So I'll first draw an electrode, which I'll do with the means of a wire, something like this. And what I'll do is I will rotate this by 24 degrees, right? Yeah, 24 degrees, so that it looks something like this. And then what I shall do is select the edit node, and I will put this node onto the middle so that it becomes symmetric, and at the same time put this node here on this vertical line. Now I shall take this and I shall make a copy of this and transform it by mirroring it about the horizontal so that I get an exact copy of it here. So once I've done that, what I need to do is to slightly modify this electrode, because it should not stretch as far as it is on the other side. So I shall take this node and I shall put it here, and this creates one arm of our electrode set. So we can go ahead, copy this, make another copy of it, and again have a mirroring about the horizontal. And using this we could control the spacing between the electrodes. Now when we have the common template that we can use for for the whole set, we'll just give this a copy and just paste it here. Let me just cap off the whole thing by joining all the electrode sets. And I can take contacts out to them.